Ooh, this blush is looking a little bit too clown-like. People, let's just buff it out a little bit more. That's better.
Hey lovelies, it's Charmaine here. I have an eye look for you which has a touch of rose gold and some glitter. I hope you enjoy. Grabbing my Laritzy Cosmetics Nude 2 palette, I'm going to take this beautiful orangey brown shade and put it in my transition area. This is such a gorgeous shade of red. I'll be placing this also in the transition area. Blame It on Midnight by NYX is the perfect brow bone highlight for my skin tone. I definitely recommend it. I squirted out way too much concealer and it got in my eye, but this serves as a great base for your eyeshadow. And because I have wonderful hooded lids, when I apply my concealer and look up, it helps me determine how far I should apply the lid color so that it actually shows. I saw this trick on YouTube. Next, I'll be applying this beautiful champagne shadow to the middle of my lid. This brush cleaner, I got it from Aliexpress and it's really handy if you're going to be using the same brush for multiple shadows. It cleans it right off. And now I'll be applying this rose gold shadow to the inner and outer of my lids and making sure that it blends in nicely with the champagne. This gorgeous rose gold glitter is by Kandy Cosmetics and it's in the color Calypso. I'm going to adhere that with the Lit Clearly Liquid Glitter Base. One of my favorite liquid liners to use. It's by NYC. It's very affordable and it's really good liquid liner. Grabbing that beautiful red shadow again, I'm going to place that on my lower lash line and also add the Sephora Collection Contour Eye Pencil, which is another of my favorites because it's waterproof as well. I'm going to place that on my lower lash line. And then just blend that out a bit with a pencil brush. Off camera, I'll apply the Aliexpress A19 lashes and I'll be back with the finished look.